Welcome back, dears. Good morning, all of you. How are you, dears? I hope all of you fine. This is your Sindhu ma'am going to take science class for you. I hope you are all celebrating your Pongal celebrations very happy and very fun. Yeah, super. After Pongal, we meet, right? Yes. Okay, dears. Let's go to our lesson. Yeah. Before that, shall we play a game? Yes. Okay. And you just keep your mobile phone and down, stand up. Yes. When I say water, you just jump a step in front. Okay. When I say land, you come to back. Can you understand? Yeah, land and water. Are you ready? Yes. Water, land, water, land, water, water, land, land, water, land, water, land, water, land. Yeah, super, dears. Very good. Yeah, you are doing well. Super. Okay, next. What is this, dears? Is tomato. Yeah, this class we learn a new thing. Yes, the scientific name of tomato. Okay. In last class, what is that? Yeah, we learned scientific name of onion. What is that? Yes, Allium ceiba. Scientific name of tomato is Solanum lycopersicum. What? Solanum lycopersicum. All of you say Solanum lycopersicum. Okay. What is the scientific name of tomato? Solanum lycopersicum. Yes, superb. Okay, dears. Let's go to our lesson. Yeah, today we will see a interesting topic. Yeah, a wonderful liquid. What is that? Yes, water. Okay. Okay, dears. In your daily life, how the water helps to us? What are the way we use the water? Yes, drinking, brushing, washing utensils, clothing vessels, clothing washing, vehicles washings, cleaning, flour, is producing electricity. Yeah, we use the distilled water in inverter batteries. No, yeah, so that water helps to electricity also. Agriculture, gardening, yeah, many industries. So lot of ways we use the water, right? Yes, we know well. What is the second most essential resource to survive of our plant, in our plant, right? Air after water. So it's the second most essential resource, right? Yes. Okay, dears. How many percentage of water covered our earth? We already discussed about this. Yeah, land and water covered our earth. So how many percentage of water covered our earth? Yes, 71 percentage. Okay, nearly 2 by 3 of earth is covered with ocean, sea and water. Okay, sorry, ocean or sea water. Okay, so 71 percentage of earth water is covered over earth surface. Remaining 29 percentage is what? Is land. Okay, yes. Um, and the 97 percentage of 71 percentage water is saline water because it is sea or ocean water. Okay, it's not apt for our own purpose. Okay, so now 3 percentage only we get the refresh water, fresh water. Okay, that's only good water. Remaining 96.5, okay, 96.5 percentage is sea or salt water, saline water. Okay, so how many of percentage of fresh water present in our world, earth? Yeah, 3 percentage only. What is fresh water? Yeah, fresh water is naturally occurring water present on the earth's surface in ponds, river. Likewise, okay. The major source of rainwater is precipitation in the atmosphere. So it is very important for us to save and use it judiciously of whatever little amount of us left. Okay. So remaining 97% is saline water. Okay. Water in oceans and seas is salty. Salty, that is saline. Salt in water. Okay. And unfit for drinking, industrial purpose and agriculture. Because there is there is more salt. Okay, it's not apt for our own purpose. Okay, dears. Fresh water. Where does it come from? How we get the fresh waters? Where we get? Yeah, from river, spring. Okay, Odai. Okay, spring. Is pond. In our village, we have a lot of ponds. You know well what is pond? Yes, well, hand pump. These are some source of fresh water. Okay. Commonly, where we get the water? From rain. Yes, from rain. Then pond, river. Okay. Another source is well, bore wells. Okay. So we get three types of sources. First one is rainwater. Second one is surface water. Surface water means, what are they? Can you guess? Surface. Yeah, the water sources which are present in our earth's surface. That is called surface water. Okay. And third one is underground water. Yeah, borewell, where we get the water in our house. Yeah, from taps. So that waters come from the water tanks. The water tanks fill because of bore wells. Okay. So that underground water is through the bore wells we can get the underground water. Next one is well. Yeah, these are underground water. Okay. So how many types of sources? Three types of sources. One is rainwater, surface water, underground water. Okay, now I ask a question. Listen. Sea water. Which type of source is this? Sea water. Rain or surface or underground? Yes, surface. Okay, because it's located in our earth's surface. So that is surface water. Likewise, river, pond, lake. Okay. Okay, so we know well what is sources of water. Okay, dears, what is sources? Yeah, you know well what is sources? Yeah, where we get. That is sources. So in water, we have three sources. Rainwater, surface water. Surface or occurrence, okay. Then underground water. Yes. For the example, rainwater. How it is? We can drink. Can we drink the rainwater? Can we use that? Yeah. This is. We can use that. Okay. This is fresh water. So that is characteristic of water. For the example, saline water, surface water, saline, river, ocean, sea. Yeah, how it is? What is the characteristic of ocean, sea, and sea water? Yeah, it has lot of salt content. Salt content. So that is source of common salt. Then we cannot use our own purpose, any other purpose, not useful for consumption. Okay. Next one, underground water. Characteristic of underground water is well. For the example, well. Yeah. There is presence of salts. No, not salts means it is mineral salts. Okay. Presence of gems. Then it's apt for drinking. Okay. Spring water. Yeah. Comes out on its own. Spring water have the medical value. Do you know it has medicinal value? Spring water. Okay. Next one, river, lakes. It has lost a lot of mineral salts. Then dissolved gases. Next one, most impure form of fresh water. suspended impurities. So that is characteristic of source of water. Okay. Okay, listen. Why Earth is called a living planet? Two reasons is there. Correct temperature and yes, three states of water in available only in Earth. Right? What are the three states of water, dears? Three states. Yeah, commonly materials are in three states. One is solid, liquid, and gaseous state, right? So, what is the water state? Three states of form of waters. Solid, yes, ice cube. Liquid, water. Gas, water vapor. Okay, can you say another examples of solid state of water? Yes, very good. Snow. Okay, liquid. Yes, any juice. Okay, these are liquid state of waters. Then gas, water vapor, stream. Okay, super. When the water change into solid, liquids change into solid state, water change into ice cube. Yeah, when the temperature goes to down 0 degree till 0 degree Celsius, it's change into solid state, ice cube, right? Yeah. So the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. Okay. When we get the water vapor from water, yeah, when it reach 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. So that is boiling point. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Yes. Then water vapor, yeah, after 100 degrees Celsius, water vapor will come. Okay. So the three states of water, solid, gas, liquid, we can change the three states. Okay, we can make a solid state, we can make a liquid state, it will be changed. Can you say what is the characteristic of solid state of water? Yeah, firstly, freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, then. Yes, when the temperature is any region falls, when it gets 0 degrees Celsius, the water freezes to form a ice stage. Yeah, that is frozen water. Okay, snow, frozen water. And in extremely cold regions during winter season, water vapor in the atmosphere condenser to form small flakes of ice is called snow. What is snow? Yeah. In extremely cold regions during winter season, water vapor in the atmosphere condenser to form a small flakes of ice, that is called snow. It is one of the solid state of water. Okay. So the solid ice cube will be changed gas. Sorry, liquid. The liquid will be changed gas. So what happening there? Yeah, the interconversation will happen into the three states of water. Okay. So characteristic of liquid state of water. Yes, it is the most common state available in our nature. 71%. Yes. Can you say another example of liquid stage? Which season is this, dear? Spring. Winter. Okay. Yeah, what happening now? Yes, fog. Okay, dew, panituli, dew. That is one of the water, right? So that is liquid state. So example of liquid state is dew. Okay. So water vapor condensed to form a water. Water vapor can change into water. Then third one, gaseous state. What is gaseous state? Another one example, water vapor, then stream. Okay, stream. Yeah, when water takes heat from its surroundings and changes into gaseous form, it is called water vapor, right? So when water is subjected on heating, water goes into gaseous state. When it will come? Yeah, at the boiling point. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. So which is the boiling point of pure water under normal condition? Okay. This gaseous form of water at or above 100 degrees Celsius is called steam. Can you clear what is steam? What is water vapor? Yes. When it's when it goes to above 100 degrees Celsius, that gaseous state is called steam. Okay. What are the molecules present in water, dears? Yes, hydrogen, oxygen. Oxygen dissolved in the water. Yeah, that's why the aquatic animals take the oxygen from water, right? So oxygen and hydrogen dissolved in the water. Which molecules present in the water? Hydrogen and oxygen. You know well. Okay. This is molecular formula of water. H2O. Yeah, 2:1. This ratio. Water, the hydrogen and oxygen present in the water, and 2:1 this ratio. Which means 2% of hydrogen and 1% of oxygen. Okay. Superb. Okay. So the three states of water. Which one change the stages? Which one? Yeah, it depends upon the heating, right? Heating or cooling. Okay, and the heating or cooling can change the three stages. Okay, listen dears, the three states of water can be interconverted from one state to other state by changing the conditions such like heating and cooling. Okay, the interconversion of states of water occurs in nature and it can be represented by water cycle. What is water cycle? Yeah, the continuous circulation of water from the earth's surface to atmosphere and from the atmosphere back to earth. That is called a water cycle. Can you clear what I say? Yeah, the continuous circulation of water from the earth to atmosphere to earth. That is water cycle. How it is possible? Yes, through the rain. The water, sea or surface water evaporated, then it goes to our atmosphere, then it's returned to our earth through the rain, right? This is water cycle. Yeah, cycling of water in nature, it is called water cycle. See this? Yeah, this is surface water. When it's get heating, it's evaporated, then it make a cloudy cooling. After condensation, it will be come to our earth, right? Yes. So first one is evaporation. What is evaporation? Yeah, if you dry any wet cloths in outside, okay, after few hours, what will happen? It's dry or it's being in the continuous stage in wetting. Yeah, that is dry. How it is possible? Where the waters go? Yeah, the sun absorb the water through the evaporations. Okay. Now what is evaporations? The process of turning water to water vapor by heating. You just take a pan. Okay, pan with water. Heat it. After a few minutes, what will happen? What we see there? What we can see there? Yeah, some water vapors goes from the pan. That is evaporations. Okay. So when the water get heating, the water vapor comes from there. This process is called evaporations. Likewise, the streams and lakes or sea waters are getting the evaporations. So the water vapors go to the atmosphere. Okay. So water evaporates from water bodies and other sources due to the sun's heat. Okay, water bodies means where the water present. It is water bodies. Can you say an example? Yes, river, pond, sea, ocean, stream. Okay, super. So which one gives the heatness? The ultimate source, ultimate energy. Yeah, that is sun. Okay. So what is the disappearing act of water? What is disappearing of act of water? You just spit the water in floor. After few hours, there is no water. Yeah, how it has disappeared? Where it's go? Because of evaporation. Very good. Why does split water dry up after a few minutes? How do we clothes get dried? After rains, water disappears from roads, rooftops, etc. How does water disappear? Yeah, how it will happen? And the split water where it's go, the wet cloths, the water where it's go. After rainfalls, lot of the roads are having lot of waters. Okay, like a flood. Where it's go after finishing the rain because of evaporation. Okay, water has a property to transition into different states of matter. On heating, water turns into gaseous state and forms vapors. Water vapors thus formed is carried away by air and is not visible. Hence, water seems to disappear from rooftops, roads, etc. This process is called evaporation and is usually carried out during the daytime in the presence of sunlight. Okay, without sunlight, it's not possible. Okay, because of evaporation process. Can you understand? Okay, dear, so just imagine this is rainy season. You dry your wet cloth. You want to dry your wet clothes. You just dry it in outside. Uh, have you seen how it is look like? It's dry or being wet. Yeah, it's take more time to dry. Why? Why means in rainy season there is no sun. Our atmosphere having some lot of water drops. Okay, so the atmosphere water drops making our cloth to be very cool. Okay, that's why the wet cloths are take long time to dry. Okay, compare with summer season. Okay, because of the evaporation process is frequently happening in the summer season. Okay, and one more thing, when it's when the water get 100 degrees Celsius, above 100 degrees Celsius, then only we can see the water vapor. Okay, below that we can't see. That's why we cannot see from the cloth water vapor from the cloth. Okay, but we can see in the hot water pans. Okay, because of when it's reached above 100 degrees Celsius, then only we can see that. We can able to see that. Okay. Yeah. The next one is not only surface water. What about plants? Yeah, plants also doing the excretion process. No. Yeah, that through the transpirations. So some amount of waters lost from the plant through the transpiration process. We know well. Yes. So that this water vapor joins the atmosphere continuously as a slow process. So water vapor also reaches the atmosphere by transpiration in plants. So this is also one of the way. Okay, how the surface waters like a river pond, how the waters evaporate from there. Transpirations through the transpiration in plant as well. Okay, super. So after evaporations, where the water go? Yeah, from cherry to atmosphere to sky. Okay. So what happening there? Yeah, it's going to the it form the clouds. Okay, it's precipitated in the clouds. The water vapor moves up and undergo cooling and condensation to form a clouds. This process is called precipitations. Okay. Then many tiny droplets of water in the cloud come together to form larger drops, which are heavier and falls as rain. That is the phenomenon of rainfall. Okay. Firstly, the water evaporate and it goes to the cloud. So when it's tiny droplets or join together and it's make a larger droplet. So it's to be very heavier. So after the rain was come. Okay. So what are the things? What are the process? Evaporations, precipitations, then condensation. Okay, when it's get cool, the water will come, rain will come. Okay, when it's heat, it's going to evaporate. It's ready to start to evaporate. When it's get cool, it's come to it's come to earth. Uh, that is rain. Okay. Okay, dear. Sometimes on the polar regions, yeah, in Arctic regions, how the snow fall? Not a that is solid state of water. No, how it is possible? Yeah, when it get excessive cooling, the water vapor change the snow. Okay, more cooling, excessive cooling can change the water into snow. Okay, that's why the Arctic regions and polar regions there are what is that? The snowfall happening there. Snowfall falling there. Okay, snow falling there because of excessive cooling. Okay. Next one, potable water. What is potable water? Yeah, that is pure water. Okay. The pure form of water is called potable water. The pure form of water which does not contain any impurities or salts in it and can be used for drinking purpose is called potable water. Example, stream water, Aravi. Yeah, this is the spring water. Yes, this is one of the potable source of potable water. Okay. Yes. What is the characteristic of potable water? How it is? Yes. Potable water means there is no impurities. Okay. And no germs like a bacteria. Then odorless, no smell. Can you find it? What is the smell of water? Yeah, that is odorless. Odorless means no smell. Clear and colorless. Can you say what is the color of water? Colorless. We can't say that. Then no impurities. And dissolved gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. Dissolved salts, mineral salts. Okay. Adixi. Mineral salts. This is characteristic of potable water. Okay, can you use this? Have you used this potable water? What is that? Yeah, that is distilled water. You know that? What is distilled water? It is called potable. There is no impurities, salt. Everything is filtered by the separating machines. Okay, that is called distilled water. Next one, the flow of water towards the oceans. Okay, from September, yeah, from September the Nivar Puyal came, no, yeah, September, October, November, December, the last 4 months in our Tamil Nadu, yeah, lot of, plethora rainfalls occurred in our, happened in our Tamil Nadu. So, too much of water going to our roads, yeah, spread our roads, rivers, like that. So, where it's gone, now we can't see the water in the road. All waters are going to evaporation, right? No, the little amount of water only going to evaporation. Rest of water where it's go? Yeah, it's are going to mix with the sea or ocean. Okay. Rainwater falls into rivers, lakes, etc. The rain droplets fall into oceans, rivers, ponds, seas. Water from the rivers, lakes, ponds, finally its flow into the sea and ocean. In our is the Bhumugar, do you know Bhumugar? Yeah, we can see Kaveri mixed with the ocean. Yeah, we can see that. That place is called Bhumugar. Can you see that? Yeah. So not only Kaveri, all rivers are joined with oceans. It's born from hills, okay, mountains, and it's died in seas. Okay, seas are oceans. Okay, it's come from up and goes to seas or oceans. Okay. So the water that falls on land as rain and snow again undergoes circulations. Okay, rainwater, infiltrations, yeah, it's going to groundwater and soil water. Okay, then surface run on like rivers, lakes. So the circulations will be the circulations will be there. Okay, this is called water cycle. Once again, listen how it's happening. The oceans or surface waters evaporating or reach the it's make a cloud when it's when it change into heavier droplet again it get condensations and the rainfall is the rain will fall. Okay, when it get more cooling it make a snow. Okay, so the most important source is groundwater sources. You know well nowadays lot of bore wells, most of homes having bore. Where the water come from in bore? Coming from underground. Okay, so the underground water is an important source of water. This is borewell machines. How it is, how the borewell take a water from underground. Listen, see this bore cap, bore screen. These are some parts of these machines. Okay. Next one is depletions of water table. If we take more water from underground, okay, after 50 years, what will happen? Yeah, the rain of underground water will level is to be reduced, to be low. So what we want to do? How you manage that? Yeah, this is called depletion of water. Okay, water table may go down if the water is not sufficient replenished. If the rain can balance that, but the rain is not for there is no rain. What will happen? How the water level groundwater level will be increased? It is impossible. Okay. So what are the problems? What are the things can affect the groundwater level increases? What are the problems we can face? Yes, regions of depletions. What are the reasons of depletions? Water table. First one is deforestations. You know what is deforestations? Yeah, cutting trees. Okay, so trees only give the rain. Trees only give the air that's going to that's ready to condense the cloud. Then only we get the water, rain. So tree is a vital role of water cycle. Okay, so if we do the deforestation continuously means what will happen? Yeah, we face depletion of water. Okay, then scanty rainfall. Okay, reduce small amount of rainfall only having. Then excessive consumption by increasing population. Yeah, population is one of the reasons. In metro cities, water is the main problem because of the excessive consumptions. Okay, water is the important one. So people's wanted water. So more populations can affect this. Okay. Next one, decrease in the seepage area. Excessive use by agricultural activities. Yes. If you use more water for agriculture activities means the times the water depletions can possible. Increasing interest industries. Yeah, the unwanted wastage of unwanted water, unwanted things are pollute our water sources. Another ones we want to save the water means we want to conserve the water means what we want to do. Now we discussed what are the depletions of water. So we need to conserve the water. What we want to do? Yeah, we must conserve the water. What are the ways there? Yeah, we have only one source, that is rainwater. So we must save the rainwater, conserve the rainwater. Next one, you should control the wastage of water. Okay, conservation of water is repair leaking tap. Sometimes in our pipes, in our homes have some leaking pipes, so lot of unwanted waters, remove from the taps. So we need to consider that, we need to save that, we need to repair that. Okay, so conservation of water, gardening. Listen, don't use the pipes. Pipes means tubes, both tubes. Okay, this is the correct method. Yeah, in this method we should use the water in correct level only. Okay, we use the tubes means what will happen? Yeah, too much of water is going to waste. Okay, that's why we using not, if we don't, if you have this, if you have this means we can use, otherwise we can use a mug. Okay, just pour it, don't flow that using pipes like that. It's one of the best way to conservation of water. Next, recycle, reuse. It is possible. In our home, we use water, lot of waste, vessels cleaning, bathing. So we can use that water for gardening. Okay. In our home, we connect the unwanted waters to the garbage. Sorry, gutter water. Okay, gutter. But instead of that, we can use the gardening. Okay, that is reuse, recycle. Then water wise habits. What are the water wise habits? Direct used kitchen water to your garden. Yeah, and the another one is rainwater harvesting. Okay, this is the best way to conserve the water. There's two type. One is rooftop rainwater harvesting, and another one method is harvesting from open spaces. Okay, so first one is rooftop rainwater harvesting. What is the rainwater is collected from the roof of buildings and stored in tanks after filtrations. Okay, see this is building, and the roof water is going to connect with the pipes, cement pipes. Okay, there is lot of water, stones, okay, sand, so it's filtering there. After it's going to reach the groundwater, so it be increased to the groundwater level. Okay, so this is the best method to conserve the water, rooftop rainwater harvesting. Next is surface water, open place. How it is? Yeah, if we dig in any percolation pits with concrete slabs, having coals are constructed in open space around buildings. Yeah, the rainwater falling in the open space enters the percolation pits through the holes on the slabs. Okay, it's going to down. It gets filtered in the percolation pit that enters the recharge well through the groundwater level is increased. So two types of rainwater harvesting. One is rooftop rainwater harvesting. Next one, open space rainwater harvesting. Okay. Okay, dears. In Rajasthan, like that place, yeah, there is more hotness. Okay, some place having never rainfall. What happening there? Yeah, the place going to dry. That is called drought. Okay, no rain for a long period, it causes drought. Okay, superb. This session is over, dears. What are the things we learned from this lesson? Yes. What is the sources of rainwaters? 3 sources. And how we save the water. Yeah, then harvesting, rainwater harvesting. Then characteristics of water. Okay, if you have any doubt, you call me. And one more thing, everyone should attend the online class without fail. Okay, superb, dears. Thank you.